noen etasjer over. Må ta blikk ifra han.
The dyeing of Prussian military uniforms. How long? Don't worry, it'll fade. Bert hesitated as he applied his aftershave and then added, eventually. Eventually. Could you be a wee bit more precise than that? Sure. How about a couple of weeks? Ah, snarled Jerry as he marched back to his stable.
Flow cut off all electrical power, feathered the propeller, and activated the fire extinguisher. The pilot pushed the rudder pedal to compensate for left yaw, induced by the loss of port side power, and pushed the nose down. That was a dangerous call, but he had to measure speed against altitude, and he decided that he needed speed most of all. The engineer reported that the left side fuel tank was punctured, but it was only 100 kilometers to Kabul. What came next was worse. Fire warning light on number 1. Hold the bottle. Already done. Everything's off. The pilot resisted the temptation to look around. He was only 100 meters above the ground.
Reported in. Yes, more political intelligence. He didn't know the name or face that went along with Cassius, but he had to be an aide to a senior parliamentarian, possibly even a senator. He delivered high-quality political intelligence that hinted at access to hard intelligence information. So, a servant to a very senior American politician worked for the Soviet Union, too. He wasn't paid, which made him an ideologically motivated agent, the very best sort. He read
Slutt å slippe ut biler i rundkjøring.
Gikk du nå?
Some civilian in the building fucked up our chance to get these men out. I will personally drive down the Pax River, personally check out an A4, and personally napalm his house. You should let me do that. I've always had a better hand for dropping things. Besides, I have 600...
At noe trekker til seg så noe støtter fra seg. Det en eller annen mystisk sosial funksjon i det? Og dette har man drevet forsker på, og så har de hatt et sånn gjennombrudd ganske nylig.
Det handler
Ja, hva nå?
sex.
Nei?
Ikke paring!
Bye.